Setup using MS Access Database. In this demonstration, I'll guide you step by step through the process to set up and launch our advanced PBX data logger software. Click on the downloaded installation package to begin. Click Yes when prompted to start the installation process. Select the preferred language and click OK to proceed to the next step. Accept the license agreement and click Next to move forward. Select the Create Configuration option to allow the installation program to prepare a configuration for you. Select your PBX from the drop-down box. Enable writing of call logs to files. Select the preferred database type. The MS Access Database is the most affordable option for small setups and first tests. Find out more about how to set up your PBX by clicking on this link. Click Next to proceed. Select the connection type of your PBX. In this example, the PBX uses the TCP/IP interface. Click Next to continue setup. Here, you can unselect PBX reports if you would like to use the logger only. Click Next to move forward. Select additional options. Advanced users can install the logger as a service to run it 24/7. Click Install to begin the installation process. Keep the logger selected for the next setup step. Click Finish to complete the setup. That's it. You've now completed the installation and are ready to use our logger and PBX reports applications. Thank you.